Benny's Gentle Raindrop Dance. In Hazel Hollow of Hazelwood Forest, Benny the bear awoke to the soft patter of raindrops against the window. "Plink, plink," they whispered, coaxing Benny with their gentle song. "What a lovely day for a dance," Benny thought with a warm smile. Outside, the forest glistened, each leaf and blade of grass wearing a tiny crystal-like raindrop. Benny loved the fresh scent of rain and the cosy mist that hugged the earth. He twirled through the misty meadow, feeling the cool drops on his fur. Swoosh, swish went his gentle dance. As Benny explored, he found his friend Fern, the tiny fawn, tucked under the leafy drape of an elder tree. "Come dance with me, Fern," Benny called softly, his eyes alight with joy. Fern wiggled her ears, watching the raindrops fall around them. "But won't we get wet, Benny?" Benny chuckled. "A little wet is all right. Let's tiptoe and twirl. Just pretend the rain is our music." Fern giggled, stepping delicately beside Benny. "Tiptoe and twirl," she repeated, and together they danced through the raindrops, their hooves and paws creating a merry pitter-pat on the grassy floor. Just then, a soft tap at the window of a nearby mushroom house summoned Benny and Fern to pause. It was Grandpa Otto, watching their dance with twinkling eyes. "Dancing in the rain, are we?" he asked with a chuckle, his voice warm as a firefly's glow. Benny nodded joyfully. "We're learning that the rain is not just for puddles, but for dancing too." "Ah," said Grandpa Otto, "embracing the rain shows us how to find joy wherever we are." His words made them smile wider. With renewed delight, Benny and Fern continued their dance, swooshing through the gentle droplets, learning that when you dance with the rain, it softly dances back. And as the rain began to ease and the clouds parted for a peep of the sun, Benny and Fern knew their hearts had grown lighter, their dance a precious memory of joy found under the rain.